another layout. On my background is had the window. I'm gonna have a sweet electric bill, man. Nice electric bill. Okay, so there's my handsome boys with their little elf hats. Yeah, this is when he was in kindergarten, so this would have been the first Christmas with Mateo and Alex, for that matter. This is when we were dating. We got married December 31st of 2018, so we've been married. It'll be 3 months, March 31st. So we've been together almost 3 years. So. Anyway. Oh wow, there's Reese. Never see her. So use the chipboard and puffy stickers are going to be from Pink Fresh Studio December dates. I like to add the phrase stickers when something just doesn't look completed, it just needs a little something something. Adding just a phrase sticker across it will help finish it off. And so, being they were dressed in elf hats, I decided to title it Santa's Little Helpers. Yes, Patton. Come. Ah, little stinker. Messing up all my papers. Wow, I got a lot of voiceover still to do. Like 30 there. Would you get comfortable, cat? He comes over here on my lap and then leaves and back and forth, back and forth. Jeepers. So after I have finally happy with where the die cuts are placed, I commit and glue. Ooh, it's time for Coco's walk. I just so know baby don't go to school tomorrow. Oh, enjoy this time off, not worrying about nothing. Oh my goodness, Patton. Cat, what do you want now? You just were over here and then you left. Huh? What are you doing? He's just chillaxing. He's got I bought him some Feli Away because he's a kind of a stressful cat. So I tried some Feli Away because he has some bad habits per se at times, most of the time lately. So I bought him some Feli Away because it's supposed to help. And I don't know, it's been 3 months and not much of a help. So I moved it from my hallway because it does 500 square feet. So I put it in the hallway so it will do, because I figure there it will do a larger area because he goes from the living room to the hallway, but he spends most of his time in my scrapbook room. But so I moved it in my scrapbook room, so we'll see. It's supposed to help him chill. And I will say, him and Reese do not fight near as much. She hates him, and he'll go and he'll lay by her, which is something he normally don't do. So maybe we'll see if his bad habits go away. Right, Patton? Okay, so I'm going to do the title now, and it is Santas and Helpers are Hip Kit Club's exclusive alphabet stickers, and Little is American Crafts doll stickers. And then pretty much once I have my title down, that will complete the layout. Now what, Patton? He's like back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, right? Mm, mm. Just chill, big guy. Chill. Yeah. This one feels hotter than normal. No, no, not really, I guess. Hmm? Alrighty, so I will let you finish watching, and when I have more done, I will certainly be back with those. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, and I am trying to get 1,000 subscribers so I can remonetize my videos. And so if you would like to help me out with that, that would be awesome. And when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Bye, guys.